Alright, my name is Jesse, team driver for Anything RC. Today we're going to unbox the new Element Enduro. Let's see what's inside. Oh man, there's one more. Really got this bad boy sealed up. Out of the box, we got an extra battery tray. Looks like a rear body mount if you were to do something else, like maybe like a SUV cab. Ready to run radio. Looks decent. Little bind plug. Feels solid. Alright, comes with 4 zip ties.
Pre-installed.
Pre-installed zip ties. First thing I noticed when opening the box, it's got a little scale garage in there you can start. Pretty sweet. A usable box. You never get that with an RTR. Or any RC for that matter. Oh, you can use it like, you can set it up, you know?
Yeah.
Scale garage, yeah.
No, I'm saying
Oh yeah, recycling.
Immediate recycle.
Dude, that's really cool though.
Dual purpose use.
Set you up with a pretty cool little sticker sheet. Probably never gonna need the for sale signs, that's for sure. From what I heard about this thing. And the first thing you always want to do is read the owner's manual. So I'm gonna read this whole owner's manual and I'll be back in about 3 hours. All right, so I'm back. I just read the whole owner's manual, a lot quicker than I thought. Let's go ahead and take the shell off this thing and see what we got inside. All right, so I like the body. This is their Enduro body. Comes with mirrors, scale windshield wipers. It's a 2-piece body, so if you wanted to take the bed off and put like a cage or something on it, you could. You can run just the cab. Comes with built-in lights already. And mine came with a big ass scratch on the window. All right, so now we got it out of the box. It's got some good weight to it for an RTR. So first thing I see, behind the axle steering. So they switched it up from most crawlers. A lot of people aren't doing that, but it's actually a really good feature. The steering link's not gonna be in the way getting pushed around, moving your wheels. One less thing to get banged up. So it's got a center transmission, kind of standard with most of these crawlers. It's got a nice little servo. From what I heard is this is a really good stock servo. People are putting it to the test and saying it works really well. And also it's got a little spot here so you can do a servo winch, which is a nice feature because trying to mount a servo winch sometimes is really hard. Taking a look at the drive shafts. It's a 3-piece drive shaft with an aluminum center, so that's gonna hold up pretty well. Nice aluminum links, beadlock wheels, and actually, from what I heard is you can use SLW hubs from Vanquish, so you can upgrade super easy, add wheel weights. This truck is fully customizable. Came with 2 different battery trays. You don't have to run this small battery. You can actually run your larger pack if you'd like. Right there, you can switch it out real quick. Reedy brushed ESC, Reedy brushed motor. Anybody that knows Team Associated knows the Reedy products, work well. So I think that was a good choice going with that. So I think the next thing to do, slap a battery in it, take it out and see what it can do. We got a little crawler course out back now, so. All right, guys, we just got back from running the Enduro. Really impressed with it out of the box. Handled great, did everything we wanted it to. Definitely a great buy, $349. I've never seen an RTR that good with all the features. So looking forward to see what everybody's gonna do with theirs, and stop by Anything RC, pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Put a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that